What's up, guys? Welcome back. Dr. Kaplan here with Kaplan Chiropractic Center. This is Dr. Huertas. She's going to be our patient today. We also have Riley. She's helping us. We're continuing our talks on stress and how chiropractic can affect stress. Today we want to talk about some chiropractic adjustments which can help us, help you deal with your stress. Like we talked about earlier, breathing is a really important part of dealing with stress. It activates the vagus nerve, it relaxes the body, it oxygenates so that we can heal ourselves. Very frequently, patients can't breathe appropriately because they're too kyphotic, they're too rounded, they can't fill their lungs. So what we want to focus on is opening up the thoracic spine. We do this by doing an anterior adjustment. So Dr. Huertas is going to hold her arms up in the air. She's going to make a fist, turn her arms. She wants to try and push her arms together. Push in. If she's unable to do that, it means that she has weakness, and it usually means she needs to be adjusted anteriorly. Thank you, Riley. What she's going to do is give herself a big hug all the way around, and we want to do an adjustment A to P to move it backwards. She lifts her body up towards us. We're going to put our hand behind her back, slowly bring down, blow out. Woo! Beautiful. That's going to open up the thoracic spine, open up that hyperkyphosis so she can breathe, de-stress herself, become the best version that she can be. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll see you soon. Have a good day.